Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Hadin bak Sorkar Jilla kalapan bena ban I district Thamai ya Kamairang civil subdivision. Hagni ki khendiat sngi ngila yo I ya ka jingmi jong kinong mi khmat mat kinong elam ba pher ban dawa nak Sorkar ban penmi Thamai ya ke office Sorkar ban penjan bat ki pajba laki dei ya ki block development officer lani ki civil subdivision bat ki district. Hanne kasngi kinong ilam na Garo Hills kilaya kendo yo menteri rangba kajela Konrad Sangma bandawa I district ya Kadadang Grace Civil Subdivision. Kadadang Grace Civil Subdivision kalong kawai na ki subdivision kabala rimpha mat kadai house nem khat kanai spa prapuar balasdang ya kani ka civil subdivision. Labun bun snem ki pajba na kani ka civil subdivision kila dawa ban kentiu kerdan no syaka kerdan district. Bat keseng NPP lembat kinong kersan jong kinong song snong Kadadang Gre kilayale ban tray sitam met bat bansim knang ban pun urlong ya kani ke jing kentiu kerdan ya kani ke civil subdivision. Usorjet momin ubadai youth general secretary jong ke NPP Dadang Gre block ulaong menta kasngi ngi nakaliang ke NPP unit jong Kadadang Gre ngilak ya kendo yo menteri rangba Konrad Sangba bat ngila IT ya ka memorandum ban dawa ban I district Thamai ya Kadadang Gre civil subdivision. Ula benrap susu da ka baong ngisngau kemen shikadai ba ngila yo pedang ya ka jingkubur bat ke jubab ka basngau tenat na menteri rangba. Kajing kubur ke jong menteri rangba badon buram kalong kum kajing ai mensim ki pajba nong song snong jong Kadadang Gre ki batrai sitam klem da song thai na ka banta kajing san bat kajing roy jingpar habaro kiliang jong ka civil subdivision. Nagaliang unong mi khmat jong Kadadang Gre constituency u James Sangma ulaong ngisngau ban ai kublai shihajarngu ya menteri rangba Konrad Sangma bala pelaj por knang ban sha skor ya kini kijing pensngau bat jing dawa jong kini ka kenhun bat kumjuru manai kijing kubur na kaliang jong u.
We just had a meeting with Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Konrad K. Sangma along with a delegation of the leaders of the National People's Party from Dadang Gre Civil Subdivision, and we collectively have placed a memorandum for his consideration for the creation and upgradation of the Dadang Gre Civil Subdivision to a district. This demand, as we all know, is a demand that's very long due and long pending, and we have apprised, we have informed the Honorable Chief Minister that the people falling under Dadang Gre Civil Subdivision are all very united in our demand for the creation for the upgradation of Dadang Gre as a full-fledged district. The Honorable Chief Minister has been very positive in his response, and we look forward to a positive outcome of our meeting very soon.